Hi everyone, Namaste. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So today we'll solve one more JavaScript problem. That is, we have to toggle each letter in a word of a given string, right? For example, this is a given string. So we have to toggle each letter from uppercase to lowercase. If it is uppercase, we have to make it as lowercase. If it is lowercase, we have to make it as uppercase. For example, in this H is lowercase and here we made it as uppercase, as well as E is uppercase, we have made it as lowercase. So LL is a small here, so we have made it uppercase over here. And in the same way, we have to, if it is uppercase, we have to make it lowercase and vice versa. Okay, so yeah, let's start coding. I'll take one function. Okay, I'll take one function called cased. You can take whatever. I'll pass string as a parameter. Okay, and meanwhile I'll call this function in console.log. Okay, I'll call this cased function and I'll pass this hello world, okay, as a argument to it, right? So I'll say hello world and I'm passing as an argument here, and I'll accept as a string, sorry, accept as a parameter over here. Okay, so now I'll declare a variable named result. Okay, and I'll initialize with empty string. So next, what we'll do is we'll loop through this entire string, right? To entire string to get each word from there. Sorry, from each character from it. Okay, so I'll say I'll loop through it. Of is equal to 0, is less than a string dot length I plus plus. Okay, so here we are looping. In that we'll get each character from it, right? So I'll say explain you once again here. So in the for loop we are checking if the present character, present looping element, if it is uppercase, then we are making that to the lower case here. We are making that lower case and we are appending that value to the result variable here. But if it is already lower case, then we are making it to the uppercase, right? So finally I'll return this result variable. So by this time we'll have the all the result here, right? I'll save this and go to the browser to check the result. So I'll save this and go to the browser to see the output. See, we have got the desired output here, right? And there is one more shorter way to do it. I'll tell you that also, right? So I'll just comment this code, or else I'll do one thing. I'll just completely comment this code. Okay, I'll tell you one more method, one more shorter method, that is by using inbuilt methods. Okay, now I'll take one more function called, I'll name this as cased itself. Okay, anyways we have commented the code above, right? So I'll take string as a parameter. So now I'll say directly I will say return. I'll use map method and split and join methods here, right? Basically these are the inbuilt method, shorter method to do it, right? So I'll say first of all I'll split the code. Split, I'll say again, now I'll say map, I'll apply map method to it. So in that I'll get each character, and in that each character, if the character, if each character, uh, if it is if it is uppercase, if it is if it is uppercase, right, then make it to the lower case, right? Make it to the lower case. So else to the uppercase. If it is already lower case, then make it to the right uppercase, right? So at the end, I'll break this code. At the end we have to join it as well, as we have splitted here string, we have to join it here, right? So I'll use join method again. Okay, I'll save this and go to the browser. Some error we have for here, uh, is not a function. Okay, so that is because we have to come out of that map method, right? And we have to say join here, right? remove this, we have to say join here. Okay, uh, because I have directly applied the join method in this map method. So basically we have to come out of this and we'll say we have to do join. I'll save this and go to the browser. See, we have got the same result in a shorter way, right? Instead of this using the traditional for loop, we can just use the inbuilt method to do it as well. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you developers for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the more contents. So thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. Meet